we can apply these concepts to tasks that typically take manual processes and typically take time, and we can streamline those processes and make them more and more automated. My name is Kyle Pugh, and I'm based in Columbia, South Carolina. I'm a CPA. I work for an insurance company. Most of my time has been spent in the accounting department, so about 15 years working in accounting. More recently, I work in IT, so I solve more technical, complex problems for accounting. I would have considered myself pretty proficient at Excel, but I knew that there were possibilities and capabilities of Excel that I was not, fully aware of or had not been internalized in my Excel vocabulary. Knowing that these things existed, but not knowing how to do them, I really wanted to take a step in learning those concepts and applying them in my daily work. Since taking the course, I now am aware of efficiency improvements that I wasn't aware of before. So an example would be that I didn't understand all the benefits of creating a table in Excel. I considered just inputting data into Excel to be like a table, but there are real benefits to making that set of data a table. You can find the same answers on YouTube and Google, and I've done it. I'm guilty of doing that exact thing. The difference would be that you don't really understand the concept. It's set up in a manner that you build on base knowledge. So concepts that are kind of beginning, you start with, and you get those under your belt, and you build on that, and you build on that, and before you know it, you're much more advanced. As I work with many different people and we streamline these little processes, and again, things seem small, something that they work on and say takes them 10 minutes. If we can save 5 minutes of that, if we can shave that in half, that's 5 minutes of a repetitive process day in, day out that they've saved now, and over the course of a year, it adds up. I would absolutely recommend it. I already have recommended it to some peers. And I don't think it's necessarily limited to accountants or CPAs. If you use Excel, or actually even if you don't use Excel, maybe it's a great time to understand some of the tools that you don't know about. It can really improve efficiency. It can really improve communication if you communicate through data. So I think it really could be a wide range of people that could benefit.